We will see about the atomic and molecular masses. Molecular mass is nothing but the sum of average atomic masses of the atoms. Suppose here we take the example of molecular mass of carbon dioxide. We have to calculate. In this molecule, carbon and oxygen atoms are present. If we take the sum of masses, atomic masses of carbon and oxygen, we will get the molecular mass of carbon dioxide. Here we have to consider how many atoms are included in the compound. Like that, one carbon atom and two oxygen atoms are used here. That's why whenever we are calculating taking the atomic mass of oxygen, we have to consider two atoms of the oxygen, and then only we have to take the multiplication of 2 into average atomic mass of oxygen. Then we will get the molecular mass of carbon dioxide as 44U. Now we will learn about average atomic mass. What is the average atomic mass means? Suppose we take here example of carbon. We know that in nature some elements are there which have the isotopes different forms. Isotopes means what? Which have the same atomic number but different mass number, that we call the isotopes. This carbon, nitrogen, oxygen and chlorine, bromine shows the isotopes in the nature. Then how to calculate the average atomic mass? When we take the addition of these all three masses of the isotopes and we take the average of that, then we will get the average atomic mass. And we are taking it as the round of figure according to the calculation. Here you have to learn the formula. Average atomic mass is equal to sum of isotopic mass into percentage abundance divided by 100. This formula is useful for solving the PYQs. And then you have to remember the Avogadro's number. It is very important. And what is the one atomic unit mass? Its values are very important. That how it is useful, that we will see in the when we are solving the PY. Here is the first question. Which symbol replaces the unit of atomic mass? AMU. Instead of that we can write only U also. Then your option number A is correct option. Question number 2. What is the 1/12 mass of one atom of carbon 12? Here it is asked what is the 1 AMU value indirectly. That's why there is no need to calculate this. It is the multiple choice question exam. That's why you have to learn this value directly. And your option A is the correct option for that. Value is 166.5 into 10 raised to minus 26 grams. Question number 3. Boron has two isotopes with atomic masses 10 and 11. If its average atomic mass is 10.81, the abundance of lighter isotope is. Here isotope of boron is given, its atomic mass is 10 and 11. Then according to the formula of average atomic mass, we have sum of atomic masses into percentage abundance by 100. As we don't know the percentage abundance of these two masses, we will consider it x and 100 minus x. By putting the values after calculation, we get the value of x is equal to 19. That is asked only what is the abundance, percentage of abundance of the lighter isotope. We got here value 19%. Your option number C is the correct option for this. Question number 4 is that what is the average mass of an element if it has two isotopes, one of mass 6.015 U with 8.24% and other mass 7.016 U with 91.26%. Here percent abundance and mass of the isotopes, all values are provided. If we put these values after calculation, we got the 6.899 U. That is option number D is the correct answer for this. Question number 5. Mass of one molecule of oxygen in AMU and in gram respectively is. Here it is asked the molecular mass of oxygen and its value in grams. As we know, molecular mass of oxygen is 32 grams, and if we multiply it with the AMU, means atomic mass unit number, then we will get its value in the grams. That is 32 into 1.6606 into 10 raised to minus 24 grams. Then in grams we will get the value 53.13 into 10 raised to minus 24 grams. Then if we see the options, then option number B is the correct for this. Question number 6. The unit of atomic mass AMU is replaced by U. Here U stands for. What is the alternate word for small u? It is the unified mass. Option number A is the correct option for this. Then question number 7. 1 AMU is equal to, I have given you already the value. Option number B is the correct for this, 1.6605 into 10 raised to 24 grams. Question number 8. What is the mass in gram of one atom of an element if its atomic mass is 10U? For 1U we know the value already. Then for the 10U we have to calculate it by multiplying the given value of U with the 10. Then it becomes 1.66056 into 10 raised to minus 23 grams. If we see the options, then our option number B is the correct option. Question number 9. What is the percentage by mass of oxygen in water if percentage by mass of hydrogen is 11.1? By this information, whatever the value given, we can calculate the total mass of water. How we can calculate? 2 gram per mole of hydrogen. It reacts with the 16 grams per mole of oxygen. It gives 18 grams per mole. This is the 18 grams per mole is the total mass of water. If we multiply this 16 gram per mole divided by 18 grams per mole with the 100, we will get the percentage by mass of the oxygen, that is 88.9%. And our option number D is the correct option for this. Question number 11. Boron has two isotopes having relative abundance of 80% and 20% respectively. If average atomic mass is 10.81, what is the value of X? Here values of average atomic mass is already given. As we know the formula, atomic mass of isotopes into percentage abundance plus another atomic mass of that isotope into percentage abundance, we have to write here. Then one atomic mass is given and its percentage abundance it's asked, that is value of X. Then by putting the values we will get, after calculation we get the value X is equal to 10.05 U. That is the value of X, and option number B is the correct for this. Question number 12. 1.2 into 10 raised to minus 2 kg of carbon reacts with oxygen to give 4.4 into 10 raised to minus 2 kg of carbon dioxide. What is the amount of oxygen used in the reaction? Here value of carbon is given, how much carbon reacts with the how much oxygen it is asked, and again value of product, that is carbon dioxide, is given. When we subtract the value of 4.4 into 10 raised to minus 2 and 1.2 into 10 raised to minus 2, we will get the value of oxygen, that is 3.2 into 10 raised to minus 2. Then for this question option number B is the correct option. Question number 13. How many isotopes of nitrogen are found? In nature we found nitrogen's 2 isotopes. Other isotopes also I have given, carbon, oxygen, chlorine, bromine, for your information. But for this question our option number A is the correct answer. Question number 16. What is percentage by mass of oxygen in NaOH? If we take the molecular weight of NaOH, what we have to do? We have to do the sum of atomic masses of sodium, oxygen and hydrogen. Then we will get it 40. And what is the atomic weight of oxygen? It is the 16. For getting percentage oxygen by mass, we will calculate it by 16 by 40 into 100 is equal to 40 grams. In option number C is the correct for this. Question number 17. What is mass in gram of 10 molecules of water? If we calculate the molecular mass of water, we get 18 U. Mass of one molecule of water, if we calculate, we have to multiply this molecular mass of water with 1 AMU. Its value is 1.66056 into 10 raised to minus 24 grams. Then we will get 2.989 into 10 raised to minus 23 grams. Then it is asked in mass of 10 molecules of water. Then we will multiply it with the 10. Then we will get the answer 2.989 into 10 raised to minus 22 grams. And if we observe options, then option number A is the correct for this.